In 1512, Tome Pires set sail. He wrote Suma Oriental, an epic tale from Malacca to Macau to Japan, documenting travels of the Portuguese men. Tome Pires wrote a book, Suma Oriental. Take a look, 500 years ago, and now you know. Spices, silks, and more he penned, trading stories from end to end. Now we walk his street, what a twist, shopping with a multiculturalist. Tome Pires wrote a book, Suma Oriental. Take a look, 500 years ago, and now you know. Spices, silks, and more he penned, trading stories from end to end. Now we walk his street, what a twist, shopping with a multiculturalist. Tome Pires wrote a book, Suma Oriental. Take a look, 500 years ago, and now you know. From past to now, what a mix, history's vibes with modern kicks. Walking his road, what a scene, from olden tales to market dream. Tome Pires wrote a book, Suma Oriental. Take a look, 500 years ago, and now you know. Here's to Tome Pires and his grand view, from history's pages to streets anew. A twist of fate, now we say, in the heart of Rua de Tomé Pires, Rua de Tomé Pires, we spend the day.
Okay, so we were in this little market area, so we're gonna go down that street and then take a left. We're on another street called Rabanya, which I was thinking about doing, but they closed most of their shops already. But the other one is really busy. But this is what we're gonna see a lot of this, and the red market is directly across the street down that way. But we're gonna be doing this particular one down this way. So stay tuned for that. Okay, Rua de Tomé Pires. So this is a Portuguese writer from 500 years ago, 1512 to 1515. He wrote the Suma Oriental. And so this particular street, and I'll put it up on the map behind me. You've probably already been seeing it behind me, the map of where we are exactly in Macau. And I'm also going to put the lyrics because I created some music to kind of talk about this street, and I've put in some things about the history, like 500 years ago, and then currently it's a marketplace, so you can see that in the videos. And also a little bit that he wrote that book, Suma Oriental. So there's a little bit of information for you in the song. And next we're gonna go right into the walk and talk, and my apologies, it's at late at night, and these little GoPro cameras, they don't, the daytime is much better for filming, but it's still interesting, so I still wanted to capture it. So that's what this street is all about. Let's go check it out with a walk and talk. Okay, so we have all this flickering, the light's kind of flickering, but we'll get past that and then it won't do that anymore. But we're kind of in this night market area, so you can see fresh fish, and the red market is pretty close to us as well. And people are just starting to close up for the evening, so we maybe came a little bit too late, but you can get an idea of what it looks like in here. So we're gonna walk straight ahead. So yeah, they're all starting to close up. I haven't filmed in here in a while, so since I'm in this area anyways, thought I'd film tonight. Yeah, it's been quite a while. So you can get fruits and vegetables, and also some meat and some kind of restaurant food too, so we'll show you some of that. Like this duck that's to the right over here, right? So you get this, and you get ginger, onions, duck, and more on that side too. So a lot of people will come down in this area to get some fresh vegetables and fruits and such. So yeah, it can be pretty busy in the daytime. You can see more directions. You could go down that way as well. And that was the direction we just came. So yeah, it's a kind of a good place. A lot of people like to come here and check it out because it's very. A lot of places in Asia have this kind of market where you get just this super fresh fruits and vegetables almost directly off the farm. And you can also buy like a lot of these bags up here, and there's shoes and stuff like that. You can buy those for pretty good prices too. This would be a lot more full during the daytime. I think the area closes at 8 p.m. it says. 9 o'clock. So I guess cars can go in at 9, but I think the area closes at 8, I think. It's about 7 right now. So it'll be closing in about an hour. So let me see, this is Tome Pires. So that'll be the name of the street right there. I haven't filmed it in quite a while. Yeah, it's kind of a daytime market. And you can see right here, so that's actually for the traffic. So from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. you can't drive your car through there. And then we have Rua de Tomé Pires. I don't know what to call this one. So there's actually another one with a similar name, but it's no day. It's just Rua de Tomé Pires in the type side. So let me just kind of move across like that. So let me just kind of capture this whole space here. So we're going to keep on walking through, and we'll go through this whole area. Still lots of people out at this time. I guess you can still shop for another hour. But a lot of the shops are closing now, but some of them are still open, so kind of a mixed bag, I guess. Okay. Okay, let me see. So we also have some little patios in here. I think this patio is like mostly for tailors. And you can see a little patio de Fernão Mendes Pinto. Got some ladies down there. Looks like they're probably Mexican persona day off down there. Another little patio. Yeah, today is a holiday, so you'll see more over here too. And I think these are Indonesian. Look like they're mostly Indonesian, but sometimes you'll see Vietnamese, Burmese, sometimes Filipino. But I think this area is kind of well known for having more Indonesian. You also got the nice black and white tiles too, right? So we'll just kind of go around like that. There's actually some nice patios throughout this space here. Looks nice in the lighting. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep on going. Let's try to capture some of that. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Got some fruits.
Wrote a book, Suma Oriental. Take a look, 500 years ago, and now you know.